Alright, I'm not sure if the lighting's going to be good, but I've had a bunch of requests to see how I did my exhaust. So, I cut out the muffler style 3-chamber resonator that was here, put it in a single straight resonator, almost the same as a glass pack, but it's not a glass pack. And I went back here and I removed the 2 mufflers that were here, bend a little piece of pipe to keep my straight pipes in the back so it looks good. And there you go. That's it. So 1 straight resonator, no mufflers. And it does produce a pretty damn good sound. That's it.